Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video here on Let's Walk Around Stockholm. Another day, another very snowy walk. This morning I got a text message of a friend. He was like, "Hey Daniel, you want to meet for a coffee?" I was like, yeah, sure. But did you look outside? He was like, "Oh, come on, let's meet up." I was like, okay. And he lives all the way in Farsta. And I live all the way in Sollentuna, which is like the opposite side of town. But the good news is there was actually a train going and I made my way out. But as you can see, I ended up in a massive, I could almost call it a blizzard, snowstorm. Like just overnight, we got like 30 centimeters of snow. I don't know if it shows very well, but it's snowing like crazy. I tried to get up an umbrella to protect me from the snow, but that blew away and it's just hard to see where I'm walking as well. Like the car's almost snowed in. But usually you guys love this. It's a bit hard for me. Anyway, I'm in Farsta and I met my friend. We had a coffee and I was like, I might as well go for a little walk while I'm here on the other side in the snow. And it's been a long time since we'd have had this much snow. And yes, people, I am wearing winter shoes, so don't worry, I'm wearing winter boots, proper snowshoes, so yeah, nice and warm. Because no, this was too much for me. No sneakers today, because it's literally like, I don't know if you can tell, but up. It's like, yeah, I think we got between 20 and 30 centimeters of snow just overnight. It started to snow at like 4 last night, and yeah. So what I'm basically doing right now, I'm in Farsta and I'm trying to find my way to the metro station, right? Because Farsta has 2 metro stations. There's Farsta Centrum and then there's just one called Farsta, I think. I'm not really sure, but anyway, I looked on the map, it's somewhere there. So let's see if I can find my way through the snow. And it's really powdery, fresh snow as well. It was a perfect temperature during the night. Nice minus, and even now it's a bit under 0. Yeah. So chat gang, what's up? I hope you're all doing good. And it's so funny because me, like almost with an arrogant voice, like a few days ago, like, oh, you know, when I went to Blåsut, oh, spring is in the air, it's lovely. And then we had like minus 13 during the night and a snowstorm. So yeah, that was hilarious. Winter wonderland. I do love snow though, it's nice. I mean, check this out. Doesn't get more snowy than this, doesn't it? Let's see if my camera holds up. There's probably snow on the lens. Hey. Found another person going through the snow. Oh, this is tricky. Oh, there's some kind of bridge here. Well, it seems like I'm walking in the right direction because this is the train tracks. It's actually really impressive. The trains are actually still going. Not all of them, but some of them. Oh, look how nice this looks. Let me change my hand for a second. Oh, no, not like this, Daniel. Oh. I don't know. There's probably all kind of snow on the lens, so I hope you still see anything. So that's more like it. Woo. This is definitely the snowiest walk I've ever done on the channel in 2 years of walking. But still feels comfortable because I prepared really well. You know, really warm clothes, double pants, double socks, winter shoes, mittens, a beanie, a hoodie, a winter jacket, so I'm all ready. Surprisingly enough, no one on the playground. Yeah. You know, this is the risk when you can get all kind of snow on your head here from the big trees. Yeah, camera's still holding up. So far so good. And I apologize if you hardly see anything because snow of the lens, because it just simply wasn't possible to hold an umbrella at the same time. It was just, as we say in Swedish, krångligt. It's a very nice word of the day, krångligt. It means something like not confusing, but more like difficult. När man krånglar till det, it's like you're making it more harder than it almost should be. Yeah, I don't know if there's a direct translation to this word. Probably someone can tell me. You can Google it. Oh, this is supposed to be a football pitch, but yeah. There's not many people out. And I see there's no train at the moment. So maybe they completely stopped the train traffic, which makes me wonder, how on earth do I get back to the other side of town? I probably can take the metro here, the central station. From there I take the metro to Kista, and from there I can take the bus to Sollentuna. It's a bit complicated, but yeah. And then the question is, are there even buses? That's the other question. Because if I look here, I don't really see much traffic in general. Alright, it's going to be fun. I think I'm walking in the right direction. I used to live in Farsta, but it's a long time ago. And it's actually in the direction I think that I'm walking right now, somewhere over there. Yeah, the mittens are here. Yeah, first I wanted to put up another Helsinki walk. Then I was like, this snow is too good not to film. And when it snows this much, it doesn't really matter where you walk, because in the end, you're filming the actual weather. That's what you're doing, right? So you can literally walk in the forest or you can walk in the city. It doesn't really matter because you can't really look at buildings and things. I do see a train there, or is that a metro? But as you can see, the whole tracks are also covered in snow. Yeah, not sure. Strangely enough, I'm kind of enjoying this. It's nice. So here we've got the train station, the Pendeltåg station of Farsta, but that's not really where I'm going. Would love to see the train actually moving. See how that looks. Oh, the wind is picking up. Ooh. Everything for the channel, people. See, so there is a train there. Yeah, but it's not really moving, is it? Let me just for fun check out the signs there at the train. So that's the good thing with Farsta here, is that the train and the metro are very close to each other, because the metro is over there. Now I know where I am. Well, let me first check out just the train here to see if there's anything happening. But now I'm kind of against the snow, so that's not really a wonderful idea. So yeah, so this one is called Farsta Strand. Oh. Okay, I have to catch my breath for a second. Oh yeah. Well, let's go in and check it out. Okay, yes. So there's no times on the train, so no. Let's go to the subway. Yeah, so make a long story short, the train is standing still. Check out if we got more luck at the subway here. Usually metros drive in any weather condition, right? Because they go underground, so they're not so much influenced or påverkad, as we say in Swedish, by the weather. It's pretty crazy. Even the snow is under here, and we're under a roof. Because the wind is kind of blowing it in. You don't see that very often in Stockholm, that the metro and train are so close to each other. The only place that I can know of, like right now, is Södra Station on Södermalm and Mariatorget Metro. They're also very close to each other. This is like the square. Nice. Here we got a pizzeria. So I used to live somewhere up there. So we made it to the metro. This is pretty crazy. This is like a fountain in the summer or something. It seems like the snow is picking up even more than it was before. Let me press button. Yeah, let's go in to round up the video. Let's not make let's not make it too long today. Alright folks, thank you for watching. Thumbs up. Let me go in. See you tomorrow.